Welcome to the review of the Galaxy S4 flip cover. This is the Galaxy S4 flip cover. It is your back replacement for your Galaxy S4. So here is my Galaxy S4, which I've removed the back from. You can see here. And that's right there, the back of my Galaxy S4. So now applying this, all you do is put it on like a normal phone back. You just snap it into place like the normal Galaxy S4 back. And now it's on and applied to your phone. So here we go, unlocking the phone and closing it. As you can see, it displays the time and the date in this window on the phone. And then if we open the phone, it will turn on the phone. And that is how the Galaxy S4 flip cover works. And you can also turn it off from there, and you can answer calls. If you were to get a call, you could answer it through this little window, and you could take the call without even opening the phone because the microphone is at the bottom and it does not cover up the in-call speaker. So this is a very neat accessory for your Galaxy S4. But the only problem with this is that the price of this is much too high, as it is $60 to $70. Now, if you could get this with like a premium package for your phone for a cheaper price, maybe that would be a good idea to get it. But I don't highly suggest this item because of the price. It is a neat feature to have to your Galaxy S4, but I don't highly suggest it because the price is so high. Now, thank you for watching, and please rate, comment, and subscribe to my channel below, and I hope you enjoyed the video.